Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mini split heat pumps that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the MRCOOL DIY 24 HP 230B heat pump split system. MRCOOL DIY 24 HP 230B is one of the AC heating split systems you can install yourself. MRCOOL DIY unit is therefore very popular with people who have technical skills. By installing the unit yourself, you can save more than $1,000 on installation. As far as the specifications are concerned, the 20 SEER and 10 HSPF ratings are some of the best. That means you will considerably cut the electricity costs every year. You can save $1,000 on installation and $100 per year with the MRCOOL DIY 24 HP 230B. It has a bit higher price, but the long-term savings more than justify the higher initial cost. Especially because you can deduct the installation costs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Aircon AC heating system. It might come to be a surprise that an unknown brand such as Aircon would take the top spot as the best mini split heat pumps. However, one look at the specifications and every HVAC expert will tell you why the Aircon Vio 7HNF 57 Mega Siemens model heat pump can outperform even a Mitsubishi heat pump. The SEER rating of the 24,000 BTU Aircon heat pump is 20.5. That is beyond the 20 magic number. 20.5 SEER makes the Aircon unit the most energy-efficient cooling heat pump. However, several other heat pumps have 20.5 SEER. The specification in which the Aircon truly outperforms all the other best heat pumps is the most important one, the HSPF rating. It's almost unheard of for a heat pump to have an above 10 HSPF rating. Aircon engineers managed to create a heat pump with an incredible 11.8 HSPF rating. That makes this unit the best mini split heat pump for cold weather. That specification alone guarantees that, all things equal, this unit will cost $80 per year less in running costs than the other top ductless heat pump systems. In fact, it can save up to an outstanding 60% compared to standard units. At number 3, we have the GRE Vireo Plus VIR 24 HP 230V1B. GRE Vireo Plus is quite a split system unit, especially knowing that comes from a less-known GRE brand. They have managed to engineer a mini split heat pump with 20 SEER, 10 HSPF, and 700 plus CFM top airflow. It's fascinating how they have managed to reduce the noise levels to 48 decibels despite having 706 CFM maximum airflow. That's something even Mitsubishi hasn't managed. Nonetheless, the 2-ton device doesn't have at least 24,000 BTU heating and cooling capacity. It's a bit reduced, as is the price of the unit itself. At number 2, we have the Cooper & Hunter CH24 SPH230V Weak Sophia series. Cooper & Hunter CH24 SPH230V Weak has pretty much the same performance as the number 2 Mitsubishi heat pump. Essentially, a 20.5 SEER rating and 10 HSPF ratings ensure you will use less energy than with standard heat pumps and save in the end. The maximum airflow of 618 CFM is powerful enough for a 24,000 BTU heat pump. On top of that, with the maximum noise levels of 47.5 decibels, the Cooper & Hunter CH24 SPH230V Weak is one of the quietest heat pumps, even when it's running on the maximum fan setting. The best part is that when you look at the price of Cooper & Hunter versus Mitsubishi, the initial price of the heat pump is as much as $1,000 lower than Mitsubishi. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ductless Air 2-ton mini split heat pump. Ductless Air is also a less-known brand. However, the high over 20 SEER rating and 10 HSPF rating are top of the line. Compared to a standard 14 SEER and 8.5 HSPF rating heat pump split system, the Ductless Air Mini Split Heat Pump will save more than $100 in electricity costs every year. A fairly powerful airflow profile with a maximum airflow of 618 CFM is enough to cover up to 1,200 square feet properly. The price of Ductless Air 24,000 BTU unit is affordable, especially compared to established brands such as Mitsubishi.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.